folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I'm trying a new way of attaching the drum heads using bolts and wing nuts. Meow.
Barb Makes Things!
The new plan involves 3 layers rather than the 2 from before. The layout is similar, but the new bottom piece has no lip, and it has hexagonal pockets for bolt heads. I cut these out on the CNC machine. And the bolts fit nicely. The middle rim, which holds the actual drum head, is similar to before, with holes for cord to hold the mylar, but also with holes for the bolts. The top layer is there to press the drum head rim down, so it only has holes for the bolts. I decided not to do it on the CNC because I'd have to use the scroll saw for the tabs anyway. That said, I wasn't all that neat with it, and then
It occurs to me I'm cutting this out of 1/8 inch ply, and I could have just done that with the laser.
the bed on the laser cutter at Crash Space is 12 by 24 inches, and the smallest dimension on this pattern is 12.6-ish. So I decided to let the top of the pentagon get left out and just finish the last couple inches on the scroll saw. This is what happens when you forget to level the bed. Super wide, not cut. Stop, level, go. Better. And drill that hole I missed on the laser cutter. I was short on 4-inch bolts, so I cut down a threaded rod and used regular nuts on one end. Time for assembly. Much faster than stringing them together, and much more control. The pentagon drums have some pretty bizarre harmonics to them. I'm tempted to try some different drum shapes, like maybe a hexagon or a square, just because I'm curious about what the overtones would be like on those. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Woo!
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.